Hello, hi, welcome to Tutorial Plus. So we are going to start Blender tutorials from the basics, from the scratch. Okay, so when you open the Blender, this is where the screen fall into. Okay, so here you can see a box, a cube, and a dotted circle, which is light, and a cone shaped, which is camera. And these are some tools, and these are menus, and you can just move the cursor towards this area. You can find the axis X, Y and Z axis. You can just click on it, left mouse button click, and you can just click and hold and drag. You can see the box, the cube is rotating. We call this as a pivot rotate. Or else what you can do is simply, you don't have to click over there, you can just click middle mouse click on the screen and you can just move the cursor around. You can able to see the cubes from all the sides. Okay, if you want to zoom closer, you can just scroll towards the box with the help of upward scroll, middle mouse scroll. Okay, so you can just zoom out using the middle mouse scroll backward. Okay, if you just scroll it forward, this is going to zoom to the area where it is fixed, the cursor is fixed. If you zoom out, that is going to zoom it out while scrolling backward. Okay, so it is very simple. And when you select items in the viewport, you can able to see in the outliner those items will be highlighted. This is camera and this is cube and this is light. You can able to see that. Okay, so if you want to hide it, you can just click on that icon, the eye icon, where this will hide the light here. If you want to hide the cube, you can just go into the outliner, click on this icon, so this will hide the cube. And if you click on camera, that is going to hide the camera. Okay, so I'm just switching on the lights back. Okay, so here you can see the grid. So grid is highly helpful to align. Okay, so to align you will be using this grid, and upcoming classes we see more about how to edit and how to just navigate through everything. Okay, so if you want to pan around, you can just press shift and middle mouse, you can just pan the work area. Okay, so you can middle mouse click and drag. You can see, you can do the pivot rotate or orbit rotate. You can scroll in and scroll out to zoom in, zoom out, and you can just press shift and then use the middle mouse click, hold and move. You can just pan. Okay, so hope you understood. So you practice this one. In future classes we'll understand more about this. Thank you.